trying to make sure this works so that we're all set to go tomorrow for the ballet class.
Very important.
Right?
You're going to say what you got, what kind of new clothes you got.
Yeah. Turn around. Tell me, what'd you get at the store today? And cream pantyhose? Cool. Olivia, did you get anything today at the store? You got Dora. Can you say Dora?
I got a rock.
Say Dora. When we're done. Can you say Dora?
Yeah.
No. Say bye-bye.
No.
All done.